Kasorkar Assam Bat Meghalaya hadu menta kimpat Aiti ke Jingtohkit Syaka Central Bureau of Investigation halo ke Jingjia asiat kiri pajba ke balaja ke senong Mukroh min haka ar tarik nai viang ajar puar. Habaya kren bagi nong tok kubor Menteri Rang Ba ke jela Conrad ke sang mau laong pan penteri kam yakum ke tegarai haban yai kat kum ke lenti ke babaro arteli ke jela ke haban soy ke rai jong ke Jingjia lang hapnya ke Menteri Rang Ba ke balak long haka lai pro tarik unai lor. Ulaong baya ke tega kam kan don kam ya pon amatang na kaktin wat away ko maru kala ban pin kalai jingmut jong karai jong Jingjia lang bat kumta haban le hakarta karukom ka babne bha ula ong ba ga jing penya ya kam kelas tang menta bat baro angut ki Menteri Rang Ba kila de ban soy ya karai jong Jingjia lang Menteri Rang Ba ula ong ba ka Jingjia lang kala rai berweng no ya ka jing apa hara hakaleng ki jaka khaput hakitain khanduli Conrad sang ma la pentip baula ya kren bat Menteri Rang Ba ka Assam Uhimanta Bishwa Sharma banya rai nak penta ban juriab lang ya kathain block 1 khanduli psiar bat kajing slam ban juriab ka day namar ba kadon ka election.
Basically, as you're aware that these are decisions that have to be implemented in full. The process is to be followed. So the process requires both the states to sign the minutes of the meeting. Once the minutes of the meeting are signed by the chief ministers, only then is it taken as official. And hence that process also requires time because these are words. Even one comma can change the meaning of the minutes, and hence it has been done very, very much in detail. That process has been done now. Both the chief ministers have signed the minutes of the meeting, and once that is done, now the official process of communicating to the necessary different commissions will be taken, and Government of India will be taken up. So it's a process, procedural aspect. It has been done, and in the minutes there are other aspects also which we had mentioned, where we will see the withdrawal of forces from the different state governments in different areas at a substantial level, I should say. I don't want to go into details, especially in sensitive locations, which again will see that the tensions will go down substantially. And at the same time, I have been in touch with Assam Chief Minister for our pending visit to the Block 1 area, Khanduli Prasiar area. So we expect that some elections are going on. So we had to delay our visit, but right when the elections are over, we expect that we should be visiting Khanduli Prasiar Block 1 in one particular location. We are yet to decide on the exact location.
And when can we expect the regional committees to submit their?
We have told them different committees have already started finalizing the reports. Once we meet on this visit of us, we will unofficially take a call, and then we will. But we have informed, if I recall correctly, 31st December was what we had put. I don't remember exactly. I don't have the papers in front of me, but we had put that in the last meeting. But we will see how the process goes, and after discussion with the respective committees, then we'll take a call.